Hey, this is Ronald. I'm going to give you a quick tour and review of my stay at the Chamorita Resort, located near the town of Naval on Biliran Island. Biliran Island is located on the eastern Visayas region of the Philippines. Alright, to start off the tour, this is the parking lot for Chamorita. It's a small parking lot that can fit a few cars and motorbikes right here. Behind me is the driveway from the main road. On the main road there's a big sign that says Chamorita Resort, so it's hard to miss. Once you pull in, you'll just park right here. There is really no signs for receptions, but we'll just take a walk down here and you'll see the entrance to the resort. Alright, I'd like to go ahead and take note of the hours of the restaurant and bar, which closes at 9 p.m. This is a remote location and the workers here are not 24 hours, I believe. So this gate right here does close around 9-10 p.m. However, there is a security guard that shows up that patrols throughout the night. So if you do come back at night really late, you'll just have to have the security guard open the gate for you. To the right is the pool area, however it was currently closed for maintenance, so I was unable to get any shots. Right when you enter, you'll start seeing a bunch of cottages / canopies. These are the areas where you'll just hang out, you can have a meal here. Now right here towards the back, you'll start getting into their beach area. They have a long crosswalk right here that'll lead you to the cottages that are on top of the water. Now that cottage in the back is one of their largest ones. It's used to have, hold bigger meetings or venues. Now, I was told to use the cottages right here in the back does require a fee. Now, the beach area here is accessible. You can use the stairs there or just any other way you want. It is perfect to access during low tide. During high tide, the water can reach all the way up to those stairs you just saw. Now, this resort doesn't technically have a receptions desk per se. All transactions are performed at the bar. Now, further down the walkway, you'll start seeing the building to the left. This is their bar / restaurant area, and also where you'll check in. Now, their bar area is pretty clean and neatly set up. Has a variety of snacks, ice cream, drinks, beer. You can just grab from the fridge and just pay up front. Now, this is their main menu. Has a variety of food and drinks. Please note, this was during January 2024, so these prices are subject to change. Alright, so once you pass the bar and start heading towards the back, up the stairs, you'll start getting into where the rooms are located. This building right here holds their standard rooms. I believe some of them are AC'd and some are not. Towards the back here is just a little walkway. You can see this little building of two CRs, restrooms. Go further back, you starting to get to the back area. It looks like this is more for the employee section where they can do their work and laundry and stuff. Alright, now towards the back of the resort, you'll reach another building. This building holds at the bottom floor 2 rooms. These 2 rooms are their premium rooms, which would be their biggest rooms. Alright, now up the stairs will lead you to 3 additional rooms. These 3 rooms are their second biggest, which will be their executive rooms. Also, it gives you access to a great view of the resort. Now this resort does have Wi-Fi. I think they utilize Starlink. You'll be able to see the satellite right here towards the left. Each building has their own Wi-Fi hotspot, so each one will have a different name and password. The signal is pretty good. I think I was getting around between 30 and 40 megabytes per second. Alright, now before I go ahead and show you the executive room I had booked, I'll go ahead and show you the current prices of each of the rooms here at Chamorita. Now this is their executive room that they have available. It does come with a queen size bed, and the room itself is quite spacious. The executive room does come with a little dining table right here, a working table, a mini fridge, and I forgot what you call this area. I think the foyer, the window seating. Although this resort is a little further away from the town, it is one of the nicer ones available, and for the price it is pretty accommodating. Although it is away from the town, it does offer scooter rentals, so you can inquire about that at the front desk. Alright, that's the end of the walking tour. Thank you for sticking around and watching. All in all, I would say I had a great time staying here at the Chamorita Resort. I would recommend it.